Inhale and extend your hips to come to a kneeling position. Slowly sweep your arms upwards and join your hands together above your head. This pose, kneeling upward salute, commonly known as Urdhva Hastasana. It gives the belly, armpits and shoulders a good stretch which helps in relieving stress and anxiety. It helps improving digestion as well as blood circulation in the body. Now exhale and lower your glutes towards your heels. Sweep your arms downwards and gently place your hands on the mat and extend them forward, resting your heads on the mat. Child pose, Balasana. This helps lengthen and stretch out the spine along with ankles, hips and shoulders. As this is a resting pose, it helps relax the body as well as mind. Inhale and sweep your chest along the mat to bring your stomach to the mat with your legs extended. Keep your elbows bent and gently push your torso away from the mat. Make sure that your head is an extension of your spine. This is called baby cobra or Bhujangasana. It helps in opening heart space, eliminates stress. It will not only strengthen your spine but also acts as a strong move for flattening the belly bulge. And yes, it also improves menstrual irregularities. Now exhale and slowly push your torso away from the mat and tuck your toes. Come into downward facing dog position, commonly known as Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale and hold this pose. This will give a good stretch to shoulders, hamstrings, calves and hands. It calms the brain, provides relief in mild depression, headache, insomnia and back pain. Now exhale, gently lower your knees on the mat, untuck your toes. Inhale and sweep your arms upwards, joining them together above your head. This is called seated upward salute or Urdhva Hastasana. Feel the stretch in your armpits and shoulder. Exhale and slowly lower your hands to heart center, focusing on your breathing and relax your body. Stay in this pose for a few seconds. Come back into child pose, take a deep breath and then float forward, ensuring that your shoulders are stacked over your wrists, hips over knees and your spine should be long. Inhale and turn your gaze upwards and allow your belly to sink towards the floor. Now exhale and press your hands and knees into the mat. Draw your chin to your chest and draw your belly in to curl your spine towards the sky. Repeat inhaling through cow and exhaling through cat. This is famous pose to improve posture and balance. Cat cow or Chakravakasana is really good for those with back pain. The more you hold synchronization on your breath movement, the more it is effective to release daily stress. Now inhale and slowly come back into child pose Balasana. Exhale and hold this position. Again, inhale and sweep your chest along the mat to bring your stomach to the mat with your legs extended. Keep your elbows bent and gently push your torso away from the mat. Make sure that your head is an extension of your spine. Exhale and come back to child pose gently. Inhale and hold this pose for a few seconds. So guys, I hope you like this small routine. I'm gonna come up with more such videos where you can easily include these basic yoga poses in your daily exercise routine. Guys, if you like this video, then please let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if not done yet. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. Also guys, remember you have to complete 3 more rounds. So take your time, hold the pose as much as possible. And till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye. I'm gonna see you soon.